All right, so we got a couple people doing the daily here with me on Zoom. Push-ups on 1 foot. Okay, now we're gonna do the triceps. On a counter. First thing you're doing is you're lengthening that standing leg up. I already feel lots of stretching going on. And then I'm twisting. Okay, really tough. Cross feet deadlift wave. Crossing the right over the left. Put the RollerSizeR behind the neck. I send my chin out. There's the back of the hamstrings. I drop my head, coil, and lose my hat. Then I uncoil and I lift up and I go backwards. Okay, then we do the other side. Up and back, out. And we're working on agility and balance. RollerSizeR out, chin is up, and I'm holding it, and I'm holding it, and I'm pulling. So my arms are working, my gut's in, my legs are shaking. Now we head to the floor, super, RollerSizeR's out, I pull. So I have energy in my arms going down the sides. And I lift up, 1, 2, 3. And go up, 1, 2. Now we go to back, leg, crimp, hold. I'm gonna take the RollerSizeR, let's see, behind my knee. I'm gonna hold it tight, and I'm just gonna work on getting it way up. I'm trying to get that knee to go high as it can. I'm really holding it. Taking that, oh boy, do I feel that in my quads. Hamstring can get a grip on you, okay? So when that happens, just take a stop and throw that sucker out. Or touch your toe. You do the lasso. The RollerSizeR lasso, you hook it on, opposite hand leg, and you pull. Okay, pull it. Feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, now we got that one. Now sit. If you're too tight, you bend the knees. I'm not sitting back on my haunches, but I'm sitting up. Take the RollerSizeR above the head. We pull on it so we get the back of the arm, and then we bend and we plant the ball on the top of the up, lift up, over. So I'm doing that, I'm pulling here to allow more stretch in here. And that is the daily, Hayward. Okay, so now we're done with the daily.